Right now, your body is living in the past, even if your calendar says today. What if I told you the aches, the fatigue, the mood swings aren't random? They're postcards from a body stuck replaying yesterday's danger. In the next 8 minutes, I'll hand you the mental reset switch. Dr. Joe Dispenza shattered his spine. Doctors said walk again, never. He visualized vertebrae fusing, nerves firing, and walked out of the hospital. His roadmap, becoming supernatural. 2 lessons: destroy the root, plant a new self. Lesson 1, chronic stress, the invisible beast that never stops chasing. Your brain can't tell if the threat is a lion or a late-night email. Either way, cortisol floods, pupils widen, blood rushes to muscles. Your prefrontal cortex, the CEO, goes offline. Perfect for outrunning predators, terrible for finishing spreadsheets. Stay in that red alert mode, and every system starts misfiring. Anxiety, diabetes, skin flare-ups, even tumors, all passengers on the stress train. Meet Anna, her husband died, but her body kept reliving the funeral daily. Each memory dumped fresh cortisol, as if loss were happening now. Her immune system, confused, attacked her own tissues. Diagnosis, autoimmune storm, then cancer, her thoughts, the true tumor. Maybe you haven't lost someone, but your tractor ruts are just as deep. Same commute, same gossiping colleague, same 3 p.m. cookie. Each loop reheats yesterday's chemistry, locking you inside a body that believes it's 2019. Quick recap: occasional stress, harmless, chronic stress, silent killer. Habits, the autopilot, flying you into the same storm every single day. Lesson 2, the exit ramp, design, rehearse, embody. Step 1, blueprint your future self. Hair, income, laugh, write it all. Step 2, before the world floods in, sit, breathe, sink into theta. There, replay the movie of tomorrow, until pixels feel like memories. Harvard proved it. Piano players, real V's imagined. Both groups grew finger maps. Your mind, the ultimate 3D printer, printing neural hardware. And it goes deeper. Genes, not jail bars, more like piano keys. Change your internal playlist, and the disease sequence never gets played. Cut your finger, keep it clean. It heals, same for your genome. Tomorrow morning, alarm rings, don't grab the phone, grab your vision. 10 minutes, eyes closed. Rehearse health, rehearse joy, until the body surrenders. Do it daily, new tracks replace the old. Tractor follows fresh grooves. You'll know it's working when Monday feels like possibility, not punishment. Stress loses its throne, immunity sharpens, energy returns. And the best part, this new you ships with better instructions for your kids. So close the tabs of past arguments, future worries. Install a new operating system, one where you, not the stress, writes the code. Start tonight, write 3 lines about the you who already survived. Because the past is just a story, and stories can be rewritten.